Life is a wonderful gift. Every morning is a chance to live fully. It's easy to forget how fragile it is. We worry about things every day. But what if knowing the end of life could really wake us up? What if just thinking about our last moments could give us the drive to do great things? Let us talk about how accepting this deep truth can change our path and give each breath and deed more meaning. Our lives are limited by their very nature. We are only given a certain number of days. This truth that can't be changed can be scary. However, it is also very powerful. It shows how truly valuable every moment is. We only have so much time on earth. There is a clear beginning and end to it. This knowledge gives our daily lives a focus that we don't always have. Most of the time we live as if tomorrow is certain. We put off our dreams. We put off being happy. We think that more time will always come along. It keeps us from seeing the present, though. We can't enjoy the here and now because of it. Every second is more important when we really understand that we only have so much of it. The prize is like a one-of-a-kind item. A rare gem would never be thrown away. In the same way, we shouldn't waste time. We should treat our days with respect now that we know this. It makes us want to make smart decisions. It tells us to have a reason for living. We start to enjoy the little things in life. I love having a warm cup of coffee in the morning. A simple chat with a loved one turns into something very important. We can feel the sun's soft warmth on our skin. There is peace when you hear birds singing. These aren't small events. They are what make up our valuable, short lives. This view changes the way we look at things. It takes our minds off of small problems. It helps us really appreciate what we have. It's time to stop taking things for granted. We start to enjoy the present more. It's not about being scared. It's about being very thankful. It's about realizing how important every breath is. It makes us value our relationships more. It gives us new energy to follow our hobbies. It's a strong message that we are lucky to be here. Every day you have to open this gift and enjoy it to the fullest, because once it's gone, you can't get it back. This awareness changes the way we see the world and ourselves. It also changes how we connect with other people, which makes every experience more meaningful and every choice more deliberate. Life's most important lessons are often learned through harsh realities. Having a clear picture of our ultimate goal can help us sort through the mess in our thoughts. It helps us figure out what's important. As we go through life, we gather many wants. We seek joys that don't last. We want confirmation from outside sources. We make very detailed plans for a very long time from now. But when we face the harsh truth that we only have so much time, these shallow activities often lose their appeal. Things that we thought were important now seem unimportant. This point of view makes our real priorities very clear. It helps us tell the difference between what's important and what's not. We ask ourselves very important things. What do I really value? What kind of person do I really want to be? What kind of mark do I want to leave behind? This practice in reflection is not a morbid one. It gives you freedom. It frees us from the weight of what other people expect of us. We don't have to try to please other people. It makes sure that what we do is in line with our deepest ideals. Family comes first a lot of the time. Relationships that matter become very important. It becomes more important to contribute to something bigger than ourselves. As you get older, you value personal growth and knowledge more than material wealth. The search for short-lived trends goes away. In its place is the desire for real connection and meaning. This change in point of view is very strong. It makes it easier for us to make choices. We don't stress over small decisions anymore. We pay attention to what really moves us. We put our energy into things that will have a long-term effect. We spend our time doing things that truly make us happy and satisfied. Being clear about this helps us live a more honest life. It gives us the freedom to make choices that are truly our own. It keeps us from getting sidetracked by other things. It helps us stay true to our values. This process of reevaluation goes on all the time. That helps us get better on our way. Our days will be spent in a way that helps us reach our most important goals. Our time is very valuable, and this is a deep realization. So we need to wisely spend our time on things that really lift our spirits and make us stronger, and let go of the things that just waste our time without giving us anything in return. The ancient Stoics did something very strong. The name for it was Memento Mori. In Latin, this saying means, remember that you must die. This is not a sad thought. It's a powerful warning. It makes you want to live a good life. The poem Memento Mori tells us to think about our deaths often. This thought isn't about being sad. It's about getting ideas. It makes us want to live a good life. It makes us want to live by the values. Some of these traits are temperance, courage, wisdom, and justice. When we know that time is running out, we want to make the most of each day. We want to behave in ways that are in line with who we are at our best. Every choice we make is meant to be smart. We want to learn and understand. We learn from the things that happen. We build up the strength to deal with problems. We fight for what's right. Our fears and worries are gone. When we deal with each other, we are fair. We are fair and nice to other people. We make our town a better place to live. We learn to control our wants and needs. We're in charge of our urges. We fight against giving in too much. Memento Mori helps us think carefully about what we do. It makes us think about whether we are living the best lives we can. Are we living up to the person we want to be? Do we make the most of this wonderful gift of life? Self-evaluation all the time is important for growth. We have to answer to ourselves for this. It drives us to keep getting better. It helps us pick honesty over ease of use. It makes people more likely to be kind than selfish. It encourages kindness over disinterest. Being deeply aware of our own demise is a strong moral guide. It leads us to do things that are really good. Being honest helps us become better people. It makes sure that our memory will be a good one. It's a call to live with purpose. It serves as a warning to make virtue our guiding principle. It helps us create a life that is not only long, but also useful and important, making sure that our actions are in line with our highest hopes for ourselves and for everyone else. Fear is a strong emotion. It can stop us moving. It might make us not go after our dreams. It can keep us from living our true selves. A lot of fears come from not knowing what will happen. The most scary thing is often death itself. The end is scary to us. We're afraid of losing the things we care about. We're afraid of the pain it could cause. But the Stoic way of thinking is a strong cure. It means that we can get over this deep-seated fear by understanding that we will die. Acceptance is not giving up. It means getting it. It means admitting a fact of life that can't be changed. Everything that lives will finally die. This is how things should be. Fighting this truth only makes things worse. Taking it in, on the other hand, sets us free. The more we accept that death is a part of life, the less powerful it is over us. Things start to get better with the fear. We know that worrying about it won't change the fact that it's true. It wastes our valuable present times. We stop being afraid of the future and learn to fully live in the present. We can change our attention now that we accept what is. We move from something we can't change, death, to something we can change, how we live each day. A deep sense of peace comes over us. We worry about the future less and less. The things we do now require more guts. We're not scared of what might happen anymore, so we can move forward. We feel brave enough to take chances. We are told to fully express ourselves. We tell the truth. We don't think twice about following our dreams. We have courage because we know that our life will have been well lived even if it ends. We'll have lived it in an honest way. We won't have felt bad about living it. This understanding gives us the strength to deal with life's problems head on. It makes us strong when bad things happen. We value the beauty and frailty of life even more because of it. It turns something that makes us afraid into a powerful drive to live a brave, full, and unreserved life. This way, our last moments will represent a life well lived, not one defined by worries. Realizing that life is short has a huge impact on our desire to take action. It changes hesitancy into urgency. It turns putting things off into immediate, focused action. We put off important things a lot of the time. We say we'll do them tomorrow. We always tell ourselves that there's another chance, but the truth is that there might not be. This information is not meant to make people worry. Instead, it gives you a strong drive. It helps us remember that chances are limited. Now is the time to go after our dreams. Now is the time to show our love. Now is the time to make a good move. From this point of view, we have to fight against inertia. It makes us want to leave our safe zones. We no longer wait for the ideal time. We understand that this very moment is the best one ever. As the Stoics said, it's about making the most of each day. We start the job we've been dying to do. Our long-held goal is reached as we learn that skill. We need to have that hard but necessary talk. Our job is to fix broken connections. We forgive each other and ourselves. It's really freeing to feel this push to act. It frees us from feeling bad about missed chances. It gives our lives meaning and direction. When you know this, everything you do has more weight. It seems to have more meaning. This isn't just a load of empty words. We are constantly making our lives what they are. We are leaving our mark. This deep-seated drive helps us live without holding back. It makes us want to do our best in everything. In this way, we are not just passive observers of our own lives. We take part in the process. We are responsible for the decisions we make. We're up for the task of living fully. This promise to move is not careless. It was done on purpose. Making the most of the time we have is something we choose to do. It makes us want to be brave. It helps us get over our fears of failing. It moves us forward and makes sure that our lives are full of important experiences and accomplishments, not just empty hopes. It encourages a life full of contributions and experiences. A lot of the time, our daily lives are noisy. We are constantly being asked to do many things. Notifications on social media are always going off. We have a never-ending list of things to do. We think about small problems all the time. In the big picture, the things we worry about don't matter much. We can feel swamped by all the information and small problems that keep coming at us. It can take our attention away from what's important. But there is a strong filter. Realizing that we only have so much time is a powerful way to get clear. All small obstacles are taken away. We can see more than what's on the surface. It seems to cut through all the noise. We start to figure out what really needs our attention. Trends and views that only last a short time lose their power. It gets less important to constantly get approval from others. We know that these things don't really help our health and happiness. They don't make our lives better in a way that lasts. The only thing they do is waste our time and energy. Being aware of this helps us make our lives easier. We learn to say no to things that aren't in line with what we believe in. We stop going after things that don't really make us happy. We free ourselves from the control of the important but pressing. Our attention turns to what's really important. We spend more time doing things that are important to us. We put money into relationships that make us feel good. We commit ourselves to activities that really make us happy and help us grow. Getting rid of things is a very freeing process. It gives us room in our heads and on our calendars. We can breathe more deeply because of it. It helps us focus on the things that really make our lives better. We pay more attention to the people we're with. Simple things bring us more happiness. Being clear about this helps us live with more purpose. It gives us the power to create a life that is in line with our deepest wishes instead of letting every distraction take over. This keeps our energy focused on the things that really make a life full of meaning and happiness. We let our thoughts wander a lot. We think about the past a lot. We think about past mistakes. We worry about what might happen in the future. This thought trip through time takes us away from the present. It takes away from the depth of what we're experiencing right now. We miss the lovely things in our world. We forget how much fun easy things can be. We don't really connect with the people in front of us. But being very aware of how short our time on Earth is can be a strong grounding. It helps us stay in the present moment. Every second is worth more when we know that our time is limited. We understand that this very moment is the only one we really have. The past is over. The future is not clear. But now is real. It's living. We should pay full attention now that we know this. We pay more attention. We pay attention to the little things around us. We pay more attention to what people are saying. We enjoy our food. We can feel how hot the sun is or how cool the wind is. We give our work more attention. Feeling calm comes from being more aware of everything. It makes you feel less stressed about the past or the future. Because of this, we can really get into what we're doing. We stop doing too many things at once. We pick one thing at a time to pay attention to. Being here on purpose makes our experiences more real. It helps us remember things better. It makes us value the easy things in life. We enjoy the little things in life. We make our relationships with other people stronger. We think more about the choices we make. Being in the moment is a very important way to take care of yourself. It keeps us safe from the mind's worries. Making sure we live each moment instead of having life slip by in a blur of worries and thoughts is important. It turns our daily lives into a set of rich, interesting experiences that make sure we don't miss the value of the present moment and live fully in every second. The world we live in often stresses getting more things. People tell us that having more things will make us happier. We're always looking for bigger homes, faster cars, and the newest tech. These material things become important to us. What we own tells us how valuable we are. This bond can cause a lot of stress. We're afraid of losing our things. We're afraid we won't have enough. We work hard for a very long time to get more. Thinking about our own deaths, on the other hand, gives us a strong counterpoint. It makes us less attached to things we own. Material wants start to lose their power when we really understand that we can't take anything with us when we die. Everything we own is temporary, no matter how important it is. They are not a part of who we are at our core. They are just comforts or tools. We can see them for what they are now that we know this. They are not what will make you happy in the long run. Being truly happy comes from inside. It comes from who we are, the people we know, and the things we've done. We don't have to keep looking for more now that we understand this. We no longer think that our wealth makes us more valuable. Status symbols don't matter as much to us anymore. We now look at wealth that can't be seen or touched. Being kind, smart, brave, and caring are things we respect. We value real connections with other people. We spend money on activities that make memories that last. We enjoy the simple beauty of nature. Being free from material things gives you a deep sense of freedom. We don't have to worry as much about keeping our things safe and in good shape. We're feeling better. We start to be more kind. We'd rather share what we have. From this point of view, we should try to live with less. It encourages living a simple life. It helps us be happy about the things that really matter. It helps us understand that real wealth is not in material things we buy, but in a rich inner life and valuable connections. This helps us live a life focused on what's important and giving us lasting happiness. Many people feel bad when they think about death. There are a lot of people who try not to talk about it. We forget about it. We don't think it will ever happen. We miss out on a strong motivation, though, when we avoid things. Accepting that death is inevitable does not mean focusing on the bad. It's about making our lives as good as they can be. There is a big change when we fully accept that our time here is sure to end. We understand that each day is a gift. We're not sad about what we know now. It brings us more life. It tells us to live each moment with purpose and energy. We stop being lazy about living. We no longer put off being happy. We don't wait for the right time to follow our dreams anymore. Now is always the right time. This acceptance makes us want to build strong bonds. We're freer about how we show our love. We're more willing to forgive. We feel more deeply the presence of our loved ones. It drives us to enthusiastically follow our hobbies. We find out new things. We do things that are hard. We make work that matters. It makes us want to be aware and in the present. We enjoy the way our food tastes. The beauty of nature is nice to us. We value the simple act of breathing. In a strange way, accepting our fate makes us healthier. We're braver because of it. We're not as scared of failing now that we know the real failure is not trying at all. For things that are important to us, we are more willing to take chances. It helps us live our lives honestly, without masks or guilt. Our deeds are in line with what we believe in the deepest. We turn into the people we want to be. The fact that we know the end is coming helps us remember to make the world a better place. We are told to give to something bigger than ourselves. It tells us to live a life with value and purpose. We are not living in darkness because we accept this basic truth. We're moving toward the light. We are choosing to live a life that is full, rich, and deeply satisfying, making every day count as a sign of how grateful we are for the gift of life, without delay or doubt.